We've got plenty of other jobs to be getting on with, but we spent most of last night fucking about with this old lawnmower. A little bit dirty. It seemed to be bogging down quite a lot and cutting out, so a quick clean up of the inside of the carb got it running a little bit better. So somebody donated me another lawnmower, and it had a really small pulley on the gearbox, so we chopped that off and stuck it onto the gearbox of this red tractor. It had quite a large pulley on it before, and putting a smaller on it made it so much faster. I think the speed before was probably about 10 mile an hour, and now it'll get about 30. Hear it there, the engine dying a little bit when letting off the gas. Some adjustments in the carburetor got it running much better. So now you can drive it without it cutting out all the time, which is handy because trying to start it with this battery and jump leads isn't great. I welded the diff on it a while ago, and now it makes it really great for this kind of thing. Before it would just spin one wheel up, and it was really difficult to slide it, but now it's really easy. It's way more fun than it has any right to be. But with a top speed of around 30 mile an hour, it does feel dangerously fast for a lawnmower anyway. Go faster. Go down. I want the camera to go diagonally from you.